if you face any problem with the frozen screen at the start, what you need to do after I spend a bit of time troubleshooting this, there's no menu for this module. So basically what you need to do is just press and hold the trackball and then turn on the power. Maybe you hold it for a few seconds and let go. So you can see that it won't do anything. The screen doesn't turn on and the lights flashes orange. So the next thing that you need to do is just reset this by turning off the power. So turn it on again. Then it should be fine now. So that will fix the frozen screen problem for you.